That's a good fish.
That is a much better fish.
It's because they don't know, you know? All right, guys, so I'm up here with Mike. We are in Minnesota. We've got a couple hours to fish before it gets dark. We drove up here today, and this is the lake right in front of us, right here. This is the bank, and we are about to drive out onto the frozen lake. Hopefully not die.
Cross your fingers.
And catch some fish.
All right, we're on the lake.
We are on a frozen lake with my truck. Yeah, we got some good information from.
I see a truck there.
You see a truck over there? Okay, like I was a little worried. We see a bunch of houses out here, but I didn't see any actual trucks on the water. So it was making me a little bit nervous, but we're driving on the lake. Like I was getting to, what was I gonna say? We stopped and got some bait, and the kid, it was a gas station bait shop, and that was probably the best information I've ever got out of somebody at a place like that. Normally people are pretty good about it, but that was easily the best info we've gotten. And we're gonna pull out here, drill some holes, set my shack down, and fingers crossed we catch some fish. So stay tuned, guys. Yeah. Well, we found our spot.
A spot.
A spot, yeah. It was a little creaky. Honestly, have no idea how deep it is, but here we are. I have no idea how deep the water is underneath of us either. And hopefully you guys can see some of this on the camera, but there's fish houses all over the lake. So we are gonna get our gear on because it's a little bit chilly, and I'll see you guys when we get the shack set up. Just a little thicker than we have back home.
Just a skosh.
I'm guessing that's easily 15 plus inches. I mean, obviously if it can support my half-ton truck. So we think we're in a decent spot. Mike did a little derp move, and he's got his Panoptics bundle here. But what'd you forget?
I may have forgot the pole for it.
So we are gonna try to probably jerry rig something up maybe this evening or tomorrow. I mean, really all you need is a broomstick and something to stick it on the ice. Like
straight.
we can get it done, but for now we are going to get started, guys. Let's hope we catch something. We do have some live bait, some big suckers, big-ish suckers, and so we might set some tip-ups out and whatnot, but we are going to get after it, guys. Let's hope we catch something.
Thanks to the guy at the bait shop for hooking us up. No sir, I will not. I don't need my auger. All these are poles, bro. Poles, bro. I need to scoot away from the holes a little bit. Man, what a... I can't believe it, but it's funny. What an idiot. What's he got? That's a good thing I brought the old Dexlar.
Yeah, it's a good thing.
That's the fishing line. Oh, God, that's I played Quady the whole time. Look, he rushed me out of my house, y'all.
We'd be trying to share my fucking shitty ass flasher.
And I'm gonna punch a hole right outside the door. Put in a nice little pipe pole.
I'm gonna need quite a bit of cord out here. Yeah, I'm seeing fish already, dude, for sure.
Oh, yeah?
I think so.
That's a good thing.
I don't know. Might just be brush. I don't see him moving at all.
I don't see shit on mine. So.
No, I got a good mark. Oh, I just got a hit. Just got my first hit.
I'm coming. I'll let that chill.
There we go, I'm on.
No way.
I'm on.
No, you're
Tiny.
not.
Tiny, but I'm on.
It's a crappie, dude. Holy shit. All
Yeah,
right.
my screen, dude, like my screen is lit up on the bottom.
Quady with the first fish of the trip.
There we go, guys. First fish.
I got a fish coming up too.
Hell yeah. Yeah, he kept coming up. I wasn't sure what I was going for, so. There we
job,
go.
dude.
Nothing to brag about, but honestly, that's bigger than most of the fish we caught in South Dakota last year on our trip. So, guys, I'm satisfied with that. I'm really happy. We're going to send him back down the hole.
We're off to a good start, man.
Yeah. And I still got my
two fish right here.
Yeah, dude, they're all over the bottom. Well,
damn, dude.
Hell to the yeah, cuz.
I feel as if you broke the seal, you know?
Okay, what are we drinking here?
We have, I don't know if anybody watches Moonshiners, but we have Climax whiskey, wood-fired, from Mr. Tim Smith himself.
I guess this is I caught the first fish shot.
Yeah, you should have been shooting before me. Here's a chaser.
God, yeah. I'll just chase it with beers, all right.
Ooh,
I am not a liquor
He's
guy.
hardcore, folks. Chasing it with beer.
I like light beer. I'm a light beer kind of guy. We're really tough. Did I just get a bite?
That's what you get for drinking. No, you didn't. I'll watch your screen. I will say, the more you drink of it, the better it gets. No, it gets better. It gets better. It gets better.
It's not very good, but it's not as bad as I thought.
You know, for moonshine, like I was saying, I've had some in my days, and it tastes like rubbing alcohol.
Ooh.
This tastes, you know, maybe 2 levels better than rubbing alcohol.
Oh,
Did you just spit it out?
I already swallowed it.
Get it down, buddy.
Oh God,
get it down.
I'm gonna die.
You feel those back straps? Oh, hey, you've been working out, buddy. Look at them back straps on you. You got some loins.
We did get separate hotel rooms.
Because I snore. I don't have a CPAP.
Oh, I just had a bite.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. Was that your drag? Okay.
That was my drag, yeah.
No, I had a bite. I was sitting here watching my tip. Well, I better check my bait, actually.
Watching his tip. For you out there, keep in mind, you gotta watch your tip.
It was on.
What? Dude, that has got to be
the smallest perch.
The absolute smallest perch I've ever seen in my entire life.
That he hit that.
What? Are you kidding me? Did you pull that in? I thought maybe you put a minnow on there.
I thought it got off. That's what hit my rod. It was.
Are you kidding
dead
me?
Stick, dude. I gotta get a picture of that.
Dude, that is classic. We drove 6.5 hours.
That's exactly what happened on the last trip.
Oh my God, are you kidding me? 6.5 hours. Make sure you put that in there. Wow. 6.5 hours for this?
This is funny, dude. That's probably a lot of what we're seeing.
That could, now that you pull out the ice, it could be.
That's crazy, dude. Well, there we go, guys. We're going to send this little homie back down the hole and hope that's not.
Beat it.
Not.
Beat it, nerd. Tell your mom to come back and see us.
Not a sign of things to come.
He's kicking.
You can hang out in the hole for a while. Yeah. Dude, the bait's like about half as big as he was.
Yeah, I honestly thought that was your bait. I was like, oh, he put a minnow on.
Jigging a giant ass minnow.
How in the hell do you even hook that? I mean, how in the heck do you even hook that thing?
I told you something hit it. Nothing hit it. Nope, he was there. He was there.
I thought maybe that moonshine hit you. You're legit.
Oh, my hands are freezing. Did you see that?
I saw that. I did.
That's a good fish.
That is a much better fish.
Okay. Yep, that's a good crappie.
That is definitely.
That's a good crappie.
It's a good head shake, whatever that is.
Crappie.
You need it up there. Gotcha. I got you.
Well, not a monster.
No. That's a good crappie.
But that's a good fish.
That's a good crappie.
Oh, that's a solid one. Like I'd keep that at home all day long.
For sure.
All day long.
For sure. Why are you being so successful?
It's that Wonder Bread. Here, I'll just set it down. Sorry. Boom, there we go, guys. I'm satisfied with that one.
That's a good crappie.
Hopefully there's enough light in here you guys can see me, but that's a decent sized fish.
Yeah, I mean, my hand's 8 inches.
Yeah.
That's over my hand.
I'd eat that. That's definitely good enough to eat.
Toss them out there.
Yeah, do you want to save them?
Cook them. Cook them up, bud.
We're saving that one. First keeper of the trip.
Let me get my stick. Like, I only had one hit like that. What? Get out of here.
No.
Get
Dude,
out
hit it
of
on
here.
the drop, and my drag was so loose, I can't believe I set the hook on him.
Get out of here. Another crappie.
Buddy, catch a fish.
Dude.
You know what?
What's going on?
That's a little smaller. What do you think?
That's
a little small.
8 inch. He's a little bit bigger than 8 inch. Yeah,
No.
I think it's too small.
Yeah, we'll let him go.
What is going on?
Yeah, he hit it on the drop, dude.
Maybe I just need to drop it. Like it's hot.
And my drag was super loose. I loosened it for that last one right at the hole because I thought I was about to lose him, so I was going to let him run a bit. Yeah, he hit it as it was falling down. I set the rod down to wipe my hands off. Wait a second, there's a fish on that. There we go, bud.
I finally caught a fish today.
That doesn't seem terrible.
It doesn't seem good either.
Hey, that's an eater crappie right there.
Crappie.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Give me some, brother.
Hell yeah.
Give me some. Heck yeah, man.
Very nice.
Let's see. My hand is 8 inches. So I'd say it's about 10.
That's a good fish. Very nice. Well, couple crappies. I'm happy with that.
Heck yeah. I knew it would happen. I mean, you even got my transducer for me?
Yeah.
Hey, that is a teammate right there.
Every once in a while I do something good.
A guy that thinks ahead and gets your transducer for you, that is somebody you want on your side, man.
There we go.
Get out of here. It ain't that easy.
That's a little one. There's a little gill.
Yeah. Nothing to brag about there.
But we're
But hey, it's a fish.
All right, y'all. We're getting ready to leave. It's starting to get dark. It's getting incredibly cold. We caught a few fish. The only thing we kept today were these couple of crappie. They're decent size. I mean, not bad.
Eat them, boy, eat them.
Yeah, they're definitely plenty to eat. We probably won't eat those until tomorrow, but we shall head back to the hotel now, and I'll see you guys there. All right, guys, we're back at the hotel room. I was gonna film in the room a little bit and I completely forgot. We walked out. We have 2 rooms up here. Here's the little lobby of the hotel area. It's kind of dark in here. But yeah, you got a nice little fire.
That's warm. That's warm.
You got some walleyes. You've got Beardy Mike in his socks.
Hey, I ain't hating, brother. I ain't hating.
And there's a restaurant attached to here, so we're gonna go check out the restaurant and have some dinner tonight. Right here.
Right through yonder. Oh, it's full of people.
Are you guys ready to order here?
Yeah, you good, buddy? Yeah. All right, we're gonna start out with some walleye fingers.
Sure. Do you want the 5 or the 8?
We'll go 8. We're hungry. We're hungry. And then whatever you want.
I'll do the bacon cheeseburger.
And for your side?
Wait,
fries.
bacon cheeseburger. I didn't see that.
Need mustard at all?
Sure. Yeah, everything on it, whatever you guys do.
You want lettuce, tomato, onion?
Yeah.
Then I'll take a Philly. You have that in steak, maybe?
And a steak?
And do you have it in steak meat or just
It's
chicken?
prime rib.
Okay, perfect.
There you go.
And for your side on that?
What do you got for sides?
French fries, chips, Texas slaw.
We'll go with French fries.
Okay, do you need mustard for your fries?
Mustard on fries?
People do it.
What do you guys do up here?
People do it.
Ketchup if you have it.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mustard on fries?
Huh. Is it like, it's like half a pout? What's poutine? Is that cheese?
Poutine. I don't want to know about no
You don't know
poutine.
what poutine is?
I don't want to know about no poutine.
We're up here north, reckon. Poutine is a dish of French fries and cheese curds topped with brown gravy.
You know, honestly,
It's like the Canadian thing. It's called poutine.
ma'am.
What do you think of that? What is it?
That's delicious.
Walleye fingers.
Walleye fingers. No. Very hot. Like my fingers are on fire.
It's more walleye than we caught in South Dakota last year.
Which we could bake. Went here, paid $15 and had
No
this.
kidding.
No, yeah. You like lemon?
We're professionals.
They're hot, man. They're hot, I'm warning you.
They are. It's good though. The walleye fingers are amazing. They're very hot though.
They really are.
Yeah, 100%. That's more fit. That's more walleye than we caught last year.
Yeah. Right, I do.
Eat your heart out, Caster. It's a good burger.
Yeah? Even by Nebraskan standards?
With the fixings on it, yeah. I think we're going to end this one out here. Food was good. We had a great day of fishing, even though we had a 7-hour drive to get up here. That's about it. We're going to be up here for a couple more days, having some more fun and doing something a little bit different, something that I've never done before as far as ice fishing. And it should be a good time. We're hooking up with somebody that Mike has,
I've fished with several times.
yeah.
Several times.
So hopefully
He'll put us on him. He'll put us on him.
Yeah. So let's hope that happens and we catch something big. 4-inch perch like
Hey,
today.
Hey, don't, we got those
got a
crappie.
couple
We got those
crappie, yes.
crappie that Quady's got to clean up tomorrow.
Yes.
Or tonight, whatever comes
We
first.
might be eating those for lunch tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And that's about it. I guess stay tuned for the next adventure. I'll see you in a bit.
Take these out of the way here
Yes.
we're good.
yes.
Another beer?
And you can exchange these
for winners.
Please exchange these for winners.
So that one winner, separate tickets.
I'll take it all.
Sure.
Yep.
And that's it, guys.